How to change keyboard size on Android phone. So if you want to change the keyboard size on your Android phone, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your settings. So open up your settings at first. After opening your settings, you need to go with search, which is on the top right. And here you need to search for keyboard. Under keyboard, if you're using a Samsung device, then you will have your Samsung keyboard settings, and under that you will have your size and transparency, right? But if you're using any other Android device, then if you want to change the size, then just first you need to make your keyboard pop out. And once you have this keyboard, what you need to do is go with the left side, upper left side of the keyboard, which has that four square shaped icon. And here you will have an option to resize. So tap on resize and you'll be able to resize your keyboard. So you can just simply adjust it however you like, and after that go with done and your keyboard will be resized. Or you'd also have one hand keyboard. So that's how you can change your keyboard size on your Android phone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.